بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعزائي طلاب الصف الأول المتوسط ثنائي اللغة. اليوم أشرح لكم مادة الرياضيات، موضوع القوى powers. موضوع درسناه بالمدرسة، واحتمال أحد منكم ما ضبط معاه، فحبيت أعمل لكم لحضراتكم مراجعة لهذا الموضوع. powers. Look at me students. انظروا إلي أعزائي الطلبة. Take an example. Take 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 it equals 9. 9 times 3 it equals 27. 27 times 3 equal 81. 81. Look at this quantity. This quantity of times is something long. يعني هذا الكمية من الضرب مطولة. I means I multiplied 3 by itself 4 times. يعني أني ضربت العدد 3 في نفسه 4 مرات. 4 times. Instead of that, I can write it as the following. Instead of that, بدلا من ذلك، أنا يمكنني كتابتها كالآتي. How? I can write it 3 and this number, هذا الرقم of times, can be written here is as a power. يكتب بالأعلى كقوة. 3 to the power 4 means ماذا يعني؟ 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which equals 81. Okay? This is called the base. الأساس، هذا نسميه الأساس. And this is called power. إيش؟ القوة. This is called the base and this is called the power. Therefore our subject is powers. لهذا السبب موضوعنا نسميه القوى. واضح عزيزي الطالب؟ Is it clear? Hope you understand all this explains, honey students. In the future, when you see, as an example, 10 to the power 3, that means 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, or we can say 10 times 10 times 10, which equals 1000. This is the power and this is the result، وهذه هو النتيجة. واضح أعزائي الطلبة؟ In general, look at this. In general، بصورة عامة، A to the power n means a times a times a's times continue times a. How many times? N times. This I can call it the powers. Okay, honey students. بصورة عامة in general a to the power n، أي القوة n يساوي لي a في a في a في أستمر إلى a كم مرة؟ n times as the same as the power. Now we should know that a to the power 0 equals 1 and a to the power 1 equal a. Okay, students? I mean, example. مثلا جاي سؤال قال solve the result. مثلا طاني رقم 1 number 1 5 to the power 3. I will say it is 5 times 5 times 5, which equal 5 times 5 25 times 5 125. If example 2 7 to the power 0 we directly put 1. The result will be 1. Directly will be 1. 3. 8 to the power 1 equal 8. In general, now here is A belong to R. A is a real number, positive or negative or any number. Okay, honey students? Now, the powers is very easy subject. Just we focus on the power, which is called sometimes exponent and equal power, القوة, or it equal exponent. يسميها أس أو يسميها قوة عزيزي الطالب. That's all that explains in the subject of powers. هذا كل ما موجود بموضوع القوى عزيزي الطالب. أتمنى تكونون فهمتوا واستوعبتوا شنو هي القوة. Hope you have got it and understood it rightly and easily. If you suffer from some problems or some difficulties, you can contact me and I will be pleased to show you all the difficulties and solve the problems for you, honey students. Okay, now I leave you in the keeping of Allah and الآن أترككم في حفظ الله ورعايته, and I will meet you in the next study next lessons إن شاء الله تعالى. Goodbye. في أمان الله.